your question is, if you had limited time and resources, what part of a thermal system would you focus on optimizing and why?
Hey guys, my name's Alex, and my question is, if you had a limited time of resources, if you had limited time and resources, what part of a thermal system would you focus on optimizing and why? I really think that comes down to like what application you're working on. Like if you're working on like computer parts, you want to optimize probably your heat transfer and taking away heat. Oh, I forgot to start the timer. It's okay. And limiting like the amount of heat that's flowing, right? So like if you want to keep your CPU cooled, you probably definitely want to limit how much heat you're taking out of that computer part. But then if you're working on something more like a power plant, you probably want to work on more like maximizing your efficiency, because it's kind of like what you're using to measure like how well that component you put in is working. Let's see, what else? But like, okay, maybe if you're working like on pipe flows, you want to optimize your losses, because that means you would have to put less pumps into the system, which would save you money, because the more pumps you put in, the more money it would cost to maintain the pumps, and you would also have to use more energy to keep pumping that fluid. So I really think it just depends on the field you're working in, and yeah. Thank you.
So I know you said it depends on the field you're working in. If you were designing a roller coaster per se, what would you focus on optimizing?
Fun.
Fun?
Fun.
Yeah, good choice.